Some spots I got to retexture. What I got is like a laminated tag. Thing works good. Just go nice and quick. Knockdown spots I got. That. Here's a quick deal. So just got a laminated door tag. Gonna make this blend a little better. That I don't want anything on the trim here, so cleaning that off. Need a couple little repairs on that door trim, but that's a different story. And then gonna let it dry for 1 minute, and then we'll knock it down with the door tag. I'm just gonna hide this out. So. Something strong like that works good. Now let it dry 1 hour and be ready for paint. One of the real keys to these is not to paint it too early, because otherwise the paint will just, kind of melt the texture. So it's tricky when you're busy and you got things going on. You'd think this one would have dried already, but it's got the fan going, but it's not dry, so definitely do that one last. Goodness. Tricky. Alright. Well, working things out though. Looks like it's going to blend real nice. Cover these spots, and that'll be that. There it is. That is going to be perfect as long as I let it dry long enough. So, get the fan going, speed dry these things out, and clean it up. Okay, paint it up. It's a little better if you can get a chance to prime it, but I don't have time. I got a move-in showing up any moment. So, it is what it is. But there it is, all worked out on the texture. Yeah, much better. All right, continue painting these up. We'll be all set.